Hello sir. Hi, I'm Sonjay. Today I'm going to show you how to check the if you have a misfire your engine, and then how to tune up your engine. So replace the spark plug. So this is the machine I told you last time. This is the Innova 3100 OBD2 scanner. So before, if you have a misfire, how do you know whenever you drive a little bit engine is gonna shaking, whenever you stop by the the color lights, you can feel it's like a little bit shaking. So that's the misfire. So how to check your misfire? So how many misfire you have your engine, then you can check, you have to know how to check with this machine. So OBD2 scan. So this is the way right there. So I don't know, you can see it. So the slot is right here. Maybe it's gonna be this area, left to right. Check the left to right. My one is over here. So right hand side. So I'm gonna do you see the key? Can I get the key? So I need the engine. So right there, it's gonna load in, read in OBD2 scanner. This is the OBD2 scanner looks like. This is the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi detail, the connected. It's still reading. Still reading. It takes maybe 1 minute. It's up to your car computer, you know. So you have to, it's miscommunication. So I'm gonna read again. So you have to get the key, turn on everything like this, not the start, just the turn on. Okay, turn on like that, and then you can see everything right here. Then if like this, it doesn't want the reading, so you have to go back, remove it, and put it back again. So don't turn start. So this machine is a smart machine. Even the start, I can read it. I'm going to show you. But if you use the regular machine, you don't have to start. You have to wait until read the machine. There we go. You have a P0300 code. So it's have a two difference. I'm gonna show you other video. So what is the problem? You have to see P300. What is that mean? You know. So that means you have a random misfire. You have a random misfire. I'm gonna teach you what is the random misfire. Why P0300 code. So I'm gonna show you right now. Start. Even my smart machine start, so it's going to read everything. This is the live data. So my one have a O2 sensor and catalytic converter problem. Is not the problem. Is you can see anything is code over here. That means good to go. You don't have to replace the catalytic converter. You don't have to replace the O2 sensor. Look, if you are like this, never go to the mechanic. They're going to cheat you. You don't have no codes. Just run like this your computer. So the drive your car, the catalytic converter and auto sensor going remove it. So then they won't have no problem, because of this car sitting long time, 8-9 months or until 1 year, it stays same place. If the sensor getting bad, so you have to drive only. If you drive 10-15 probably 20 minutes, like 15 miles, it's gonna go away. That is not the problem for the catalytic converter auto sensor. You have to just drive. Keep your mind. So we're gonna go over to replace the tune-up. So replace the spark plugs. So you don't need this one right now. You don't need it? Okay. So what is the P0300 code? Specific Toyota vehicles, you can see this one. Because of, if your car show up P0301, that means your number one spark plugs not working. If you have a P0302 code, your second cylinder spark plugs not working. If you have a 8 cylinder show up P0308, that means you have to replace 8. The P0300 code is exactly different. That means you have a random misfire. No matter what, you have to replace all these. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to replace 4 of them. Right now I'm going to show you how to replace it easy way. Before you open it, clean this one, okay? Because of your engine can block these dirty things, okay? Take out like this. So I'm going to teach you one by one. So I think you can see it clearly. So I'm going to little bit back up because you can't see anything video. I have to be clearly with you. So I'm going to reverse a little bit, then you can see my video very well. Okay, we're gonna change it and get the piece of cloth. Okay, you need a piece of cloth. You need a 12 or 13. I'm gonna show you because of before you do everything. This one battery, take out this one plus side you have to take out because you don't want to hurt yourself. Okay, you have to remove the battery first. Then we have a right key. We need a 12. I'm going to put the 12. Yes, get the 12. This key, can you see? It's 12 sizes. I don't know, your car have different keys maybe. For me, I need a 12. Even though I don't know take out, so it's really yeah, I don't need a key. I can take out easily. So take out first before you start doing anything about around this engine area. So and then you need this key. This is 5/8 millimeter. 5/8. This tool you need it with the no dirt inside. Okay, so you need this one. And so I also need a, where's the tube right there? Huh? Anti-seize, you need this one for the plugs. Okay, you got it? So you need this one with the handle. So anything handle like this, it has to be same goes over here. Okay, then like that. Okay, with the 5/8 millimeter. So whenever you buy a spark plus, you can buy the same place for suitable tool for you. So this is my new spark plugs. is original, genuine. It's Lexus part, so it's a genuine one. So Toyota original. So we're gonna do right here, take out this one, easy. I'm not gonna replace the harness because of this is very good, so looks seems good, so I'm gonna replace only my spark plugs. Do the one by one, then you know wow, look, we have a random misfire because of this. You see, it's very bad, you know. It's getting very old. Maybe they they didn't change maybe like 5-6 years. That's why we have a random misfire. Okay, if you have a bad like this, you have to replace everything. If especially P3000 means you have to replace everything. So make sure whenever you go, it's a little bit hot. Whenever you buy, make sure it's the same sizes. Whenever you go to the part shop, bring the old one, take the old one, and then check with the part shop guy. It's exactly the same gap over here. Okay. So before you do, clean over here. Okay. Everything, and put the piece of clothes right there, and then we're gonna do, get the new one, use the anti-seize, very small, okay, not too big, enough. Okay, put him back. Get the tool like this. Okay, go inside. It's magnet, it's automatic, go inside. Easy. You don't have to be a mechanic, you know I'm not a mechanic, so you can do it yourself, even girl or boy, not a big deal. Okay, but please do the one by one, so don't get confused. So do one by one, that way it's very clean. Over here you go like this, okay, until all the way. Okay, okay, right there. And then you're gonna go over here, very small, tight, smoothly. Okay, don't go hard, don't break inside anything, like this, very small, that's all. And then go inside, put it back with no dirty. That's all, easy game. Okay, next time we're gonna go take out the second one. See, it's very clean, no even the very old, not oil around. If you have a oil around, that means very bad. So you're gonna go inside. Okay, so only thing I have to ask you, you know, so I'm not a mechanic, but I do the correct way for you, so I want to save your money. You know, we work hard too much, and then we have to save money because we don't want to give any money for the mechanic. You know, I know they want to make money too, but I know you don't have money, so like me, so we work hard, we have to save money. That's why I want to teach you everything. Please subscribe my video. I'm just asking, I can put more video for you like this, save you a ton of money. You see, very bad, very bad. So please subscribe my video. I'm just telling to you, like if you subscribe, it's very help me, because I want to get the like I want to get some tools. So here the other one we're gonna do. So I want to get good place to do everything for you, then you can see clearly very well my work. So okay, here's USA California right now. So like evening time, nice time, sun goes down. So okay, right here we're gonna go inside slowly. Don't hit both sides, because if you hit something for the gap, it's gonna change. Then if you replace the new one, it doesn't gonna work, because of if you hit something and change the gap, it's not gonna spark. So right there, okay. You see, slowly, okay, easy, right there. Go inside, put in back. That's it. Okay, we're gonna go third one. Don't break the harness. So you can go and make this space over here. See, it's very clean. If you have a oil, everything over here is a bad, you have to replace everything. Okay, I'm gonna replace my harness. It's very good, condition good. So I'm gonna go inside slowly. Wow, you see, very dirty, nasty. Remember, P300 coordinates is a random misfire, so you can change 1 or 2. If you have an 8 cylinder, you have to put 8. If you have a 6 cylinder, you have to put 6 plugs. If you have a 4, like me, you have to replace 4, no matter what. So, but like I said before, if you have a 301, it means 1 cylinder. So if you have 302, it's a 2 cylinder, okay? Misfire. Like this. You have to do very smoothly, okay? You have to tie it up very smoothly with the, like don't tie too much. Like I said, if you break something inside, you're done. You have to take out whole gasket to figure out that one. So you see, I touch like this. That's all. Before you go over here, before open, please clean inside, okay? Because of if you open and drop something inside, so it's not good. Okay. It's like not even 10 minutes time to do these things, but if you go for the mechanic, he's going to say, okay, can you drop your vehicle and come like within 2-3 hours. They want to show you. See, it's a very bad means this is has to be changed, the things not good. Okay, so I'm going to show you. If you have like this right now, that means this thing's bad. See, I told you this thing's bad. It's broke, it's break, and that part has to be changed for sure. Okay, remember, that's why if you see oil like this, please you have to remove replace this wire, this harness. That's why I just look, see, I caught this one, so I have to replace this one, but I'm going to replace right now because I didn't order my part. I'm going to replace after this video. So you have to be careful. If you have like this oil everywhere, you have to change this harness, please. If you have a brake like this, don't replace it. Okay, that means it's going to be bad again, so you can do like this. For me, I'm going to just telling you how to go and pick it up my harness, just because of I just saw it. Go over there, like this is my last one. This is the 4-cylinder, so we're going to go like that. Here. See, smoothly, right there. See, that's it. Look, I'm gonna go and drive change this one because I have one car only. So I'm gonna go pick up this part because this is very bad. So don't do that. If you have a part before, you replace it. Before, go and replace the part. So I'm gonna tell you one more thing. Okay? How, as a beginner, how do you know which part you take it, and how do you know exactly you have to buy the your same model for the car? So I'm going to show you right now. Before you buy a part, so take your book or take your clean title or registration. It show up right there, VIN number, vehicle identification number. So go for this paper or go for your VIN number with your hand and go and pick up your parts. If not, you're going to pick up the wrong part, believe me. So take this one before you take any parts for your car. Same model car, same VIN number, and go and pick it up your parts. Okay, let's go and start. So you can come inside. No, you can stay the way, sir. Can you go and check it out? Oh, I forgot. Before you start, remember, you take out the things. You know you've done everything, so you have to replace back. Okay? Wow, good, right? Not like less than 10 minutes you are on the mechanic, you're done. Please subscribe my video. Please, I need your help. So subscribe my video, put the views, any problem, any question, hit me with a message. And if you need my phone number, I can put right away. Message me. Please subscribe my video. I'm going to bring you more video like this, and I'm going to save you a ton of money. Believe me. Someday. Thank you.